Hello guys, welcome back to Mufasuket with Fusion 360 2D Modeling Praktek Exercise number 9, how to make a bucket sketch. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can click here and click OK. Next, active a notification, checklist, and save to get our new tutorials. Okay, we start now. Open your Fusion 360 software and click Create Sketch. I will choose this top plane. First, we create a circle in here with a diameter 86. Okay, we create a circle again in here, and then in here we give a dimension for this circle 4 and this circle 10. Okay, give a distance start from this point to this point in here 33, and start from this point to this point in here 35, and enter. I will create two circle in here, 1 and 2, and then we create a circle in here. Okay, give a dimension for this circle 20 and this circle 10. Okay, we give a dimension for this circle 10 and this circle 20. Okay, give a distance start from this center point to this point in here 31. Okay, and then I will give a distance start from this point to this point in here 25. Next, start from this point to this point in here 37, and enter. Okay, I will create a circle in here with dimension 10. Okay, and then give a distance start from this point to this point in here 1. Okay, and start from this point to this point in here 17, and enter. Okay, I will select this point, right click and fix or unfix. Okay, now I will create a line start from this point to this point. Okay, use a tangent to connect this line into this circle and this line into this circle. Use a trim command to cut this line object. Okay, I will cut in here. Next, I will create line start from this point to the top here. Okay, and then I will use a tangent to connect this line into this circle, and use a trim command to cut in here. Okay, I will cut in here and cut this circle. Okay. Next, we create line object start from this point to this point and connect again by using a tangent. Okay, I will connect these two objects, line and a circle. Use trim command to cut this line object, and we create a circle in here with diameter 100. I will change into 100 and use a tangent to connect the circle into the circle and the circle into the circle. Okay, I will trim to cut the circle object. Next, we create a line object start from this point to the right here 79, and create line start from this point to the top 2. Okay, and then we create line start from this point to this direction 75, and enter. Okay, I will give a degree in here 50. Okay, and then I will create line start from this point to this point. Okay, right click and okay, I will select this point, right click and fix or unfix. Next, use a tangent to connect this line with this circle. Okay, use a trim command to cut this line object and this circle. I will create a line object start from this point to this point about 10. Okay, and then I will create line start from this point to this point. Okay, next right click OK. I will select this line object, delete, and I will create line start from this point to this point, and I will select this point, right click fix or unfix. Okay, use a tangent to connect this line into this circle, and next I will trim this line object and we create this model. Okay, we trim again in here. I will trim this circle object, and we create a circle in here with diameter 100. Enter. Use a tangent to connect this circle into this line and this circle into this line. Okay, use a trim command to cut this circle object and then this two line object. Okay, next we use offset command. You can click here, sketch, and click offset. I will offset this object into this direction -25 and enter. You can select this object and delete. Okay, I will select in here delete, and we create line start from this point to this point. Okay, we give distance start from this point to this line object 4. Next I will use extend command to extend this object and this object. Okay, I will create line start from this point to the bottom here. Okay, and use a trim command to cut this line object. Okay, next I will offset this object to point. Okay, we offset again this object to point, and last we offset this object to this direction -2 and enter. Okay, I will select this line object and delete, and use a trim command to cut here. Okay, I will cut this object, and we cut in here. Okay, I will cut in here, and then we already create this 2D bucket sketch. Okay, you can stop sketch here, and then we already create. Okay, I think it's enough today for Fusion 2D modeling practical exercise number 9, how to make a bucket sketch. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in Fusion 2D modeling practical exercise number 10.